Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farooq Nair and I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at Orion, which is the research and education network for the province of Ontario in Canada. I hope everybody is keeping safe during these challenging times. I would also like to welcome the delegates of the first ever virtual B2B exhibition put together by Canada-Pakistan ICT Forum. This is not the first time that the forum has brought a delegation from Pakistan. But what's different this time is that this delegation now has been brought virtually to the platform which the Canada-Pakistan ICT Forum has put together. Over the course of past few years, through which they had brought in delegations from Pakistan to Canada, they have been conducting road shows and various events which I had the pleasure of attending in the past. And these road shows and these events have been a really good platform for showcasing the best in Pakistan. All the upcoming IT companies, all the established IT companies who wanted to do business in Canada were brought together by this ICT Forum. I would like to acknowledge the role of various stakeholders from Pakistan and Canada who have played a really active role in making sure that these delegations who have come here in Canada, they interact with the right people and they are able to translate that into business. And I'm happy to say that there are various companies from Pakistan who have been able to enter into agreements with lots of key stakeholders in the private and public sector. I would like to name a few of those companies. The first one which I want to talk about or mention is Excellence Delivered, a company which is doing great work in the area of e-commerce. Azad Health is another company which is doing wonders in the area of healthcare and healthcare records management, and they have entered into an agreement with some healthcare providers in Canada. Would also like to acknowledge companies like A to Z Creators who are doing lots of work in the area of web development and digital marketing in Canada. There are lots of other companies who have come here too over the course of past few years. Would like to acknowledge them too. And a big vote of thanks and shout out to the Pakistan High Commission in Ottawa, the Pakistani Consulate in Toronto, Trade Development Authority in Pakistan, Pakistan Software Export Board, Pasha, Pegasus Consultancy, and the team in Canada and Pakistan who have made sure that over the course of past few years, these delegations are able to enter into partnerships and are able to translate this into a good business proposition. Wish the team who's putting this event together all the best for this event and extending my support to them in any shape or form. Farooq Nair signing off. Thank you.